I'm sorry for Jabass. Oh God, see I know my heart. I'm sorry for Jabass.
Nothing I go do him, man. Him alright. Why you say you're sorry for him?
No, to the pressure when I get pan the app and everybody a come down pan him, I just feel sorry for him as he up in business now and to start.
All
Everything
right,
is
Kasha.
happening pan
Me
him.
gonna tell you why I'm sorry for Jabass. Because he's strong, otherwise we can't angle this. And I'm gonna tell you what the problem is. You see, people have to say this is not a real world. Internet is a real world because it's real people you're dealing with. The same people we see on internet, they may
Right.
see and come off of the internet. So for me, it's a real world. Now when that man go on the road, you know how people look at him?
And then
Even if they don't believe, but you know what it can done to this man on the street? You know, so sometimes look when them are do Anna and when
So
Anna
the
go,
case did done with him.
yes, it show out because even the sister was on the life where they and this little girl mother, the stepsister and the mother.
Rosa go say
What's yours to me?
Jabass daughter at risk because he would do with that or something too. Come on, man.
This is
That
not
me no
joke.
like with Rosealee. She love invite people picnic. That me no like with her. Who are the victim? Who is the victim?
All right.
Then if they say Jabass do so
Rosealee are the victim. If even Jabass going to Annie ears with Jaden also, I understand cause why you could cuss back.
but also they troll each other, so Rosa and Jabass troll each other.
Rosealee love take things out of proportion too much. That is our problem. You say you no business when nobody wants to say about you, but your business. Can somebody say, Kasha, you have rotten teeth? Me go say yes. Somebody say, Kasha, your nose big and your mouth. Me say yeah. Them say you're big and fat. You're not big and fat.
And when Destiny, even when Destiny talk about it in the course, Destiny around Destiny, so why am I talk about it now?
She deliberately doing it to bring him down, to bring him to
when
zero.
When Jabass give me a whole heap of money, if you don't meet somebody in person and just take your money and give them so, you forget scam. You're supposed to smart enough. You're not baby. You're supposed to know when somebody is not right. Where you buy that you get scam? Where you buy?
Kasha, and look on this. This is a man who used to say, me know the girl if I internet.
Where you buy forget scam? Come now take my foreign money. Give no boy where say them do this and do that. Me want some pay for it or you get scam.
And me know this is a man where the girl, where the man send $200, she get $200, $100, $50.
Get them Jabass scam enough people and him help enough people too. You no know what the people them have, but you not send no money go Jamaica go give them. You no want scam a man, you no buy. Nobody no hold you up on gunpoint and take your money. And you send it to Western Union and MoneyGram go give the person at Jamaica. Where you buy, where you pay for? How you get scam?
Oh God.
Them grab you through the bank, now you get name and send the money, go give them.
But
You
Kasha,
understand?
I'm trying to scam it and put it to good use. Because Rosealee have the get it and get it and gamble it out and get it bad man.
People are scam people on TikTok every day. When them say them prank, you no scam them scam, you know. Guys, somebody say, Treasure, we not big something foreign, you know. Send me $300 US for you get it. Don't pay for whatever me tell you win.
I'm not buying nothing, I'm not
And you not buy nothing, so how you win? Some of them they are on TikTok buy candle. I send go foreign people I cheat them, say them a reader, man. Stop it, man. Anything you want to know about yourself, go on your knee and ask God.
That is
If
it.
him can't tell you about you, who are going to tell you about you? Come on, they are foreign a buy man. And when it no work out to no ball out, so you get scam. When a man will not buy. When you see a woman at Jamaica suffer